So I found this wig on Amazon, and you guys, I had to jump on and give you the details because you're gonna want it. And this is $40, y'all. This is a $40 wig. I ain't lying. Basically, what I'm saying to you is we styling and profiling in these Amazon wig streets. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today.
Hey.
I'm coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
So I know what you're thinking, cousin. Come on, skin. When you've got that glow, like that Bruce Leroy glow, it just shines within, then the without, in out. Yes, the skin is looking good and greasy, like it just got baptized. Hey y'all, look at this. I found this wig on Amazon. This is a 30-inch long braided wig, butterfly lock, braided lace front wig with baby hair. It is knotless and it is synthetic. I have the color 1B, but they also have this fire red, and I love the fact that it has dark roots. They have a coffee color, and they also have a ombre red color. So y'all, let's get into this 1B. They give you a wig cap featuring young Karen. They give you some braid jewels, and they also give you a removable elastic band. Y'all, this comes with the invisible, like the little invisible hidden string to make it tight in the back. You guys, it's over with. It's over. It's very light. There's like nothing on. It's super duper light, and these are like soft locks, so you can expect it to be light. It's not heavy. It's not a lot of material being used. I want you guys to pay attention to how those butterfly locks look. I love how they're distressed, because sometimes butterfly locks are not butterflied enough, okay, which defeats the whole purpose. They might as well just be regular locks, right? So I love the texture in this. I want you guys to pay attention to the cap, the construction, because this is $40 now. So this is not going to be a full lace wig, okay? They should tell the truth, shame the devil, but this is bad, honey, as in good bad. But you see that right there? I am going to use that black cap for that reason. It's going to blend in very well. But the brown cap, You listen, when the wind blows, your wig cap will show, okay? Now, let's go ahead and take that lace off, that double lace. Oh my goodness, why? Because look, when it's off, look how much better that looks. Go ahead and tint the lace, okay? We're going to warm it up a little bit if you have to. It just depends on your particular tone, okay? Dry that up. Now, I'm going to spray it in because I want it to stay. So it's going to hold that tint spray in there. That step actually could be super pointless. I don't know. I've just always done it to lock in that color, okay? Now, I'm going to thin out the grown woman hairs. Now, they were already pretty sparse, so that's good. They weren't really thick and ignorant, but y'all know I like mine bald head scallywaggish, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and just define those parts, and then I'm gonna plop it on. This wig can be worn glueless, you guys, but I'm gonna do both ways just to show you what it looks like melted and not, so you can see. This part is really optional, y'all. You don't have to do this. This is just if you're trying to take it up a level or 2 or 3, okay? Now again, you know why I put the black cap on top of the brown one. I could have just taken the brown one off, but I didn't, okay? Okay, I just didn't. Now, that is a temporary fix, but what product do I always talk about that will fill in that lace grid and make it look like skin? Drop down in the comments and let me know, okay? Y'all better get this answer right, because I talk about it all the time. Now, just finishing up the warming, there's actually something else I'm going to do with this cap to make it a little bit more seamless, because when it's $40, you gotta help it out. We gotta help it out, okay? Quick, easy things, but necessary nonetheless, all right? So I'm melting it upon my dome. Y'all see the 5 head live and in full effect. Now, I don't have any makeup on right there. I have makeup right underneath my eyes if you guys were on my last live, you already know what I'm talking about. The rest of my face, that's just a natural glow, and I have a little help with another product. Y'all just have to jump on my lives and stuff. You'll know what I'm talking about. Anyways, do you see that cap right there? We got to blend it in with the mesh cap. Okay, so I'm going to use this product right here. I actually use this a lot if I need to blend in a cap color, like the lace. If I need to blend it in with the cap, bam, easy breezy. Get that right there. You can also use, like, if you have black eyeshadow, you can do that too, however you want to do. But this is a little bit less messy in my opinion. But y'all, look at this. Look at this. $40. And although it's 30 inches, it's really not, it's not ignorant. I was expecting, when I saw 30 inches, I don't know why I was expecting it to be like down to the floor. I don't know. My mind just does things sometimes. Okay, so it's really not bad. It's not ignorant long like that. Put you a couple of jewels in there if you want to give it a little razzle dazzle. But other than that, listen, let me tell you something. You cannot tell me that's not. Come on now, y'all. You see it. Look at it. Look how that is. And if you want to distress the lock even more, look how easy that was. You just wiggle, 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 wiggle. Take your lock and wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's it. That is it. That is all. You guys, $40 well spent. I really love this wig. It didn't have to come this hard, and I was not expecting it to be perfectly honest, but I love this. I love the color choices. Drop down in the comments and let me know what color you're going to pick up, because they have a variety, and I for one appreciate that. Look, come on now, we styling and profiling out here in these Amazon wig streets. All right, y'all. Peace, love, light.